Hello, welcome to our year-one assembly.
We have had so much fun this afternoon. We have learned so much. We can't wait to tell you all about it.
And this time in our English, we're learning where the little things are. We found a mystery tray in our classroom. It was filled with objects to link with our book.
We wrote stories inspired by our book. Now it's one of our stories.
Where the snakes live. One freezing cold day, Rosie wore a shiny dog costume and she was mischievous. She smashed all of the bright plates in her house. Dad took away the silver Xbox. Why did Dad do that? That night, Rosie got into her golden airplane. She went in and out of the big clouds and almost over a mountain to where the long snakes lived. She could see green trees and small bushes. When she arrived, the long snakes flicked their interesting tails and hissed their interesting hisses, but Rosie wasn't scared. She waved and said hello. They made her king of the queen of the snakes. Later on, Rosie became devastated with the snakes and missed her mum. So she got into her golden aeroplane and soared across the clouds into her pink bedroom where her beautiful mum was waiting for her.
We're writing our reports now all about the wild things.
In history, we've been thinking about why Kitty Wilkinson's the local hero.
We started our topic by having a visit by Kitty Wilkinson. She is famous from having the only boiler on the street.
Kitty Wilkinson wash clothes and wash people and stay clean.
We learned how to wash our hands and we made our own soap.
In class, we talked about our everyday heroes. And my hero is the vet because it saved my cat from with his stitches. My hero is the light lady because she stops all the cars and people can walk on the road.
My hero is a police that catches bad guys.
We asked lots of questions to figure out what this is. Do you know what it is?
It feels like metal.
I think they're rusty,
So are they old or new?
old.
What do you think it was used for, Lee?
A candle, because look, it lights like holes, probably for the fire, and then like the boat to save, so it's probably for the candle.
It could be a plunge from a long time ago because if you go like that, it looks like a plunger.
So, a plunger for what, Vinny?
The toilet. The toilet.
Plunger for... Eddie, what do you think it is?
A mop.
Why do you think it's a mop?
There's a hole right here.
Do you think the water goes through there?
No, it's where the little tiny bristles go.
Oh, okay.
This is a pop set. It helps people wash their clothes from a long time ago.
A few weeks ago it was St George's Day. We listened to an interesting story about George and the dragon. We make dragons out of paper plates. We have been doing puppets of our favourite animals. We started experimenting how to make materials. Staples were the best because they joined our fabric together very well.
We've cut our materials up to join them. We can't wait to see how they turn out.
Weeks ago it was Steam Week. We made parachutes to keep our eggs in the air, and we did very well.
We had a steam day where to edit photos. We even watched the jump fly above us.
We've been learning about, in science, we've been learning about animals.
We learned we can put animals in different groups. Humans are mammals because they have lungs.
Humans have hair and they have babies. We're even going to hold a real snake skin.
Last week we done a colour run. We got loads of fun out and we got really messy.
We really enjoyed being in school for half term. We have learned a song about being happy and love. We hope you love it.
It's just like a magic penny. Hold on tight and you won't get any. Lend it, spend it, give it away. Then it comes right back to you. A hug is something if you give it away. Give it away. Give it away. Love is something if you give it away. Give it away. You give it away. Love is something if you give it away. Then it comes right back to you. Oh, it's just like a magic penny. Hold on tight and you won't get any. Lend it, spend it, give it away. Then it comes right back to you.
Thank you for watching our assembly.